Hi everyone, I am Jennifer with the South on Foodies, and I decided to go ahead and do a live video. So I am doing a collaboration with Spilled Butter Desserts, and they are located in Tacoma, I think. It's owned by Brianne Day, and you can find them on Facebook, Spilled Butter Desserts, and also on Instagram. So we're gonna go dive into trying some of her treats. Unfortunately, I got hungry on the way home, so I already ate the Twinkie. But there's a berry scone, a ding dong, a Twinkie, which I already ate, sorry, which was delicious. A apple blueberry I can't read the rating, and then there's a macaroon. So let's try, what should we try first? Well, nobody's on here anyway, so you're just gonna have to get whatever you get. So the very first one I'm gonna try is this scone. This looks really delicious. You can kind of see like right there. The scone is berry. And then I'm gonna also take a picture before I eat it with my iPad. Yum, and then I'm gonna try it. So good. So good. And then yeah, mama. Look at this beautiful thing. I think it's kind of like a Christina. Yes, yeah, I think that's what it says. Christina is a apple, and I think it says blueberry. I'm pretty sure it says blueberry, but look at this. Isn't that really pretty? That looks like there's a pickle right there, but it's apple. Just looks like it on the screen. And then it's in the way. See how I have to take pictures? It's horrible, isn't it? Okay. And then tastes like apple pie. It's really good. I like the apple. And then this one is the ding dong. I'm gonna move this out of the way for a second. And it's really pretty. It has like gold on it. So give me a second, I'll show you. So this is what it looks like. And then on the top it is like gold. There we go. You see the gold? Oh, I like ding dongs. They're so good. Creamy filling. And then the last one, since I already told you, I ate the ding dong. This is a macaroon. And I'm guessing it's also dipped in chocolate. Maybe it's like deep fried or something. I'm usually not a big fan of macaroons, but I'm always willing to try different ones. And this one is that. Here's a macaroon. It's kind of like deep fried. So, I got it on my computer. Looks like that. Yeah. So this is a macaroon. And I think it's coconut. Tastes like coconut. That was really good. I like that a lot. My kids are going to see all these desserts on my table and they're going to devour them. So again, here's the berry scone and the apple blueberry Christina. I'm totally saying it probably jacked up. Here's the ding dong. It has like a gold deliciousness on there. And here's the macaroon, and I think it's I think it's definitely coconut with chocolate. It's really good. And all these delicious desserts are from this company, Spilled Butter Desserts. The owner is Brianne Day. You can contact her. That's her phone number and her email. And then here's the back of the card too, so you can go on Instagram and Facebook. And everything is made 100% from scratch. So that's pretty cool. So, well, I want to say thank you for everyone coming by and checking me out, eating stuff. I know that's totally weird to say, but thank you for supporting us, and be sure to leave a like or a comment below, and I will talk to you all later. Have a good one. Bye.